How to automatically update apps on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down and head over to Apps. Simply move into App Store. In the space inside Automatic Downloads, you can see the options are not available. It's because you are on low power mode. Turn off low power mode for once, and then you have to enable this option, App Updates. It will automatically install new app updates, and you do not have to go ahead and move into App Store and click on Update in order for you to update. Whenever the new update comes, the App Store will automatically update your application, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.